The power needed to power up the unit is 18 to 24 VDC. The positive wire from your power supply needs to go to the black wire of the sensor cable. The negative wire of your sensor cable, which is the white wire, needs to go to the positive of your multimeter. And then the negative of the multimeter goes to the negative of the power supply. Once the unit is powered up, we want to make sure of two things. First, we need to make sure flow is running through our analyzer. Second, that the range is in the 25% range. Once those two steps are completed, we're going to take the sensor out of the bag, remove the two shorting clips on top, and hold the gold side of the sensor to the gold pins at the bottom of the analyzer. We'll now see the reading on the multimeter change, and we're going to want to wait for that to settle. Once settled, take a small flathead screwdriver and adjust the 4 to 20 potentiometer on the top of the analyzer until the multimeter reads 17.37 milliamps. Once that has been set, put the sensor back into the analyzer, put the analyzer back on top, and lock it down with a clamp. We're now going to see the multimeter reading drop. Your analyzer is now ready for gas testing. Now we're going to check our air calibration with our span gas. Our span gas value is 83 ppm. Once we switch to the span gas, the response should be very fast. We'll switch it now. The multimeter is going to go up to around 5.34 milliamps. That equates to 83 ppm. This will take a couple minutes for the sensor to settle. You can see that the sensor is settled between 5.32 milliamps and 5.33 milliamps, which puts the reading around 82.5 ppm to 83 ppm, which is within our plus or minus 2% of 83 ppm. Once we have verified that the calibration is correct, we're going to switch back to our sample gas and we're ready to go.